Rolljak is built to embody the 4Cs of 21st century skills, both in virtual and physical settings. You can use Rolljak to improve creative engagement by creating interactive quizzes. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create a live quiz with Rolljak's quiz question types. You can add media to make your quiz more interesting and engaging. For multiple choice question type, participants will choose a response from multiple options. The AI auto-scoring quiz will score participants' open-ended text responses against the model answer provided by you. The unscramble quiz will add variety to your quiz questions. Unscramble gets participants to rearrange the correct sequence. After you go live, the Game Master will have the question on the screen. The participant screen will have a list of multiple choices that they need to choose. Participants with the quickest response time will have higher scores on the leaderboard. After the game ended, the participant screen will show their rankings and the Game Master can review all the responses and the rankings that are available in the gallery. Find more activities with Rolljak's template that are available to use anytime you want. Get rolling with Rolljak.